Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WordPress video series. In this video, I'm going to redesign one of my old WordPress blog using the Astra theme. So this is the look of the current website. This is very simple. It does not have a fancy look. I just want to redesign this WordPress blog using the Astra theme. And after installing the Astra theme, this is how it will look. And this is the new look of the WordPress blog. And we are using Astra on this one now. This is the home page. You will see all the blog posts listed on the home page, and this is the left hand sidebar. This is one of the very old blog that I have been running for more than 13 years. I have stopped working on this blog and now I want to restart working on this blog. I want to add more features to this blog. I also want to add Amazon affiliate links on this blog, and I want to improve the traffic on this blog. I'm going to publish more posts on this WordPress blog. As of now, it is getting around 200 visitors per day. When it was in good condition, I used to get more than 2000 visitors per day. Now it is reduced to 200 visitors per day because I'm not publishing any articles on this blog. So here, if you see, the publish date of this post is around 2010. So it's more than 13 years old, but I'm still getting visitors to this blog. So I'm not going to make a lot of changes to the current layout of the blog. I just want to change the theme, and in future I'm going to add more features such as Amazon affiliate, SEO plugins, cache plugins. I'm definitely going to change this layout also. I'm going to cut down some links from the sidebar, and I'm going to improve the footer also. So in this video, I'm going to use the Astra theme, the free version, and I'm going to install the Pro plugin also. I'll show you how you can redesign the WordPress blog using the free Astra theme, and I'm going to install the Pro version also. So I'll show you what are the features added to the Pro version that will help you to redesign your blog. So let's see how we can redesign your WordPress blog using the Astra theme.
Do not forget to subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel. Watch new videos about website design, e-commerce websites, search engine optimization, social media marketing, WordPress tutorials, video editing tips, and many more. Press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever we publish new videos.
So this is the WordPress blog that I'm going to redesign in this video. Let me show you the blog first. This is the home page of the blog, and this is the actual website, fixhomenetwork.com. I have been using this website for more than 13 years and I have stopped working on this website a long time ago. So now I'm going to redesign it and restart working on this website. And on this website, I created a different directory, named it as blog, and I installed the WordPress blog in this directory. That's why it shows this URL of this blog. This is the home page of this blog, and this is the left hand sidebar. You will see ads running on this website. This is Google AdSense ad. This is the sidebar, and all these are blog posts. Let's go to one of the blog posts. Let me show you the structure of this WordPress blog first. I do not even have any logo here. This is just the name of this blog, and in the right hand side you will see the sidebar. The same sidebar is now on the right hand side. There are ads running on this website, links to the other blog posts, categories, recent post. If I go down to the bottom, you will see the comments on this blog post, and this is the footer. I do not have a lot of content on this blog. There are hardly 60 blog posts, and most of them are more than 10 to 12 years old. This blog is all about wireless networking, wireless routers, how to use routers, how to connect to the wireless network, and all those technical things. Now, I'm not going to make a lot of changes. I just want to change the theme of this blog post, and I want to add more features. So let's see the page speed of this blog post. So I'm on the Google Page Speed Insights, and I'm going to analyze the page speed with the current theme. So here you will see the performance is around 52. Accessibility is 73, 92. This is for the mobile. If I go to desktop, the performance is around 85 and 64 accessibility, and SEO is 91. All right, so these are the current stats. Now we will also check the stats after changing the theme to Astra. I do not have any cache plugin, so I can install the cache plugin and I can improve the page speed of this website. So here I'm on the dashboard of this WordPress blog. This is the current blog. Let's go to the dashboard. Let me show you the post. So here you can see all posts 61. So we have around 61 posts on this website, and the first blog post was published on 6th April 2010. So it's more than 13 years old. Let me show you the plugins. These are all plugins. This is 𝗟𝗚𝗞𝗘, that is the plugin installed along with the old theme that I'm going to replace now. Sitekit is also linked, is also installed on this one because this one is running Google Ads, Google AdSense. Updraft Plus is the backup plugin. I have already created a video on how to use Updraft Plus plugin to back up your WordPress blog on Google Drive. I'll give you the link in the description box. If you want to watch that video, you can watch that video also. So let's go to appearance. So here you will see different themes. So currently it is using 𝗟𝗚𝗞𝗘 theme. This is the theme that we are using. If I go to theme options, you will see all the theme options. This one is also a good theme. It's not like that this is a bad theme and that's why I'm replacing. I just want to replace it. I want to change the look of the website and I want to add more features. That's why I'm going to change the theme. So let's go back to themes and click on add new. Before that, I'm going to upgrade the WordPress to 6.2. So I'm going to upgrade it now. Alright, so the WordPress is up to date. Let's go back to themes. Click on add new. And you will see many different themes. So I'm going to use this one, Astra. If you do not see theme here, you can simply search for Astra and you will see this theme there. So I'm going to use this one. I'm going to install it now. Okay, so the theme is installed. Before activating, you can see live preview. So this is how the new blog will look. Okay, so we are going to customize this one. So let's close this one and click on activate. All right, so the new theme is activated. Let's go back to the blog and refresh it. Let's see how does this look now. So this is how it will look. So this is the name of the website or the blog, and this is the home page, the current home page. You will see all the blog posts listed here. We do not have the sidebar right now, so we are going to add the sidebar also. Let's go to the blog post. So this is the blog post. We do not have the right hand sidebar on this blog post now, so we are going to customize this one. At the bottom we have comments. All right, so this is the current look. We have the menu bar, the same menu bar is there. So let's go back to the dashboard, and here you will see the option Astra. Go to Astra. So this is the Astra dashboard. This is quick settings. You will see, you will get all these features in a free Astra theme. Site identity, header builder is also there, footer builder is also there, color, typography, button. So you will see all these settings here. You can customize these settings. These settings are available for the free Astra theme. If you want more customization, you can go with the Astra Pro, and you will see all these modules will be available for the Astra Pro. We will go through that also. So these are the settings that you can customize with the free theme: color, typography, button, menus, layout, blog option. You will get the header builder and the footer builder with the free Astra theme. I have already created videos on how to use header builder and the footer builder in Astra theme. I'll give you the link in the description box. If you want to customize the header and footer using Astra theme, you can watch those videos. So let's go to customize here. So we are on the customization now. Let's go to global. Under global, you will see all these settings: typography, color, container, button, scroll to top, accessibility. We will go through that. Let's go back, and this is the header builder, breadcrumb, blog page. So let's start with the blog. We are on the home page, and this is the blog archive. So let's go to blog archive, and here you will see it is using the default layout. Let's change it to full width, and we want left hand sidebar. So here you can select left hand sidebar. and sidebar is now added. The same sidebar is added. You will see the add here. The sidebar is actually the part of widget. Let me show you the widget. If I go to appearance, go to widget, and this is the main sidebar that you can see here. The add, the common topics, and these categories. You will see all these options here. So this main sidebar is added here. Now let's go down, custom. This is the width. Right now it is set to 1200. Let me show you. This current width is 1200. If I change it to 1400, this is how it will look. Let's publish it and see how does this look. And you will see the difference in the width. There is an extra width added. This is the left hand sidebar now. So I'm going to change it back to 1200. Now this is the post structure, featured image. Right now I do not have any featured image. So if you have featured image for each blog post, it will show the featured image here. I do not have featured image. That's why it's not showing any featured image. So I'm going to add featured image to all the blog posts in future. Title and blog meta. So this is the title and this is the meta. Right now it shows comments, category, and the author. This is how you will see it here. So I'm going to disable author. So author is gone. And post content is excerpt. So it's not going to show all the blog post or the content here. It will take some part of the blog post and it will show it here. All the other settings are for the pro version. Here you will see design option. You can change the font size, the title font size using this design option. And other options are for the pro version. We will go through the pro version options also, pro version settings also. Let's go back. Let's go to single post. Let's click on one of the single post here. So this is the layout of the single post. So I'm going to use full width and I want a right hand sidebar. So we have got the right hand sidebar. This is the same sidebar and these are the auto ads on this blog post. Here you will see all the comments. Now let's go down, related post. So right now it does not show any related post here. So I'm going to enable it. And you will see the related post section is added just above the comments section. So I want to show, say, 6 related posts, and the grid will have 3 columns. So you will see 3 columns and total 6 number of blog posts are shown here under related post. So this is how you can add related post. And what do you want to show for the related post? Featured image. If you do not want, you can disable the featured image. Right now I do not have any featured image, that's why it's not showing it here. And again the same thing, I do not want to show the author, I do not want to show the category, and I do not want to show the comments also. So I do not want to show the meta, it will show only the title. Enable blog excerpt. So it's going to show some content from those blog posts. So this is how it will look. All right, let's publish it. Go back to the page and let's go to one of the blog posts and you will see the changes here. We have got the right hand sidebar. And if I go down, this is the related post. You will see it here. So this is all about the single post. Let's go back. Let's go to global typography. If you want to change the font and the color settings or the font size or the font family, you can change from here. Here you can see the font. Heading is using Playfair, Lato. This one is using Barlow, Montserrat heading. So these are all basic fonts. If you want to change the fonts, you can change the fonts from here. colors. This is all about colors. Let's see, the accent color is kind of black, it's kind of blue, and this is the links color. This side is for the hover, and this is for the actual color. So I'm going to change it. I'm going to change it to, let's say, this color, and for the hover I'm going to use dark one. This is for the heading H1 to H6. I can change that also. So you will see the change in the color here. Borders, this is the border actually. So I want to show this one. If I change it to white, you will see that the border is almost disappeared. So I'm changing back to this one. The surface color, this is the content background, side background. So if I change the side background, you will see the change here. You can see the change. So this is how it will look. So if you want to change the background color for the website, you can change it from here. Right, let's go back. Container. So as I have shown you that if I change this to 1400, it will change the width of the website, the layout. So I'm not going to make any changes here. Let's go back. Buttons, this is for the buttons. Right now I do not have any button here, so it's not going to show any change. However, if you want to change the design or the layout, you can use this option. So I'm going to use background color dark. And this one looks good. Let's go back, scroll to top. This is scroll to top. If you want to disable it, you can simply disable it from here. This is the size 15. If I change it, you will see the change here. You can change the color. This is how it's going to change. This is the hover color and this is the actual color. Let's go back. Accessibility, you can leave it as it is. You do not need to make any changes here. Block editor, leave it as it is. Miscellaneous, leave it as it is. Let's go back. Header builder. So right now you can see the header builder has two elements here. The first one is the site title and the logo. This is the option here. And the second one is primary menu. This is the primary menu. If I click on it, you will see that this is the name of the website, the title of the website. Okay, so right now we do not have any logo, so it's not going to show anything here. But if you have logo, you can select the logo or upload the logo and it will show the logo here. You can also change the background color of the header. I have a separate video on it. I'll give you the link in the description box. Let's go back. This is the breadcrumb. If I enable it, let's see, before title, let's make it before title, publish it. Let's go back to the page, refresh it, and you will see the breadcrumb here. This is the breadcrumb. Home, then this is the category, and this is the actual blog post. So I do not want this. I'm going to make it none. Publish it. Let's go back. We have already gone through this. We have already gone through this blog post. Sorry, the blog option. Now here you will see post title. This is the post title. If you do not want to show it, you can simply disable it, publish it, refresh it, and you will see that the blog title is gone. You can use this as a blog title. Let's go back. Page. So this is the page layout. I do not have too many pages here. Let's see, this one is a page. And on this page, I have only the contact form. There is no sidebar. So I'm going to add a sidebar here, the right hand sidebar. Publish it. Refresh it. And you will see the sidebar on the page. This is the page layout, not the post layout. Let's go back. Sidebar is what you already have here. Now these options are available for the Pro. Let's go back, footer builder. Now currently we have the footer here. This is the footer. So I want to change here. I want to make some changes to the footer. So let's see. This is the copyright text. You will see it here. Click on it. And this is the text. So I do not want this powered by Astra. So I'm going to delete that option. And this is how it will look. Okay, now I want to change the background color. So I'm going to select this section. Go to design. Background, change it to black. So this is the black background. If you want to add padding, you can add padding also. Go to this text, go to design and change the text color to white so that it will be shown on this background. Now if you want to add more sections to the footer, you can simply go to this top bar, and above this you can add more elements such as categories, contact details. I have a separate video. I'll give you the link in the description box. If you want to know more about the footer builder, you can watch that video. So as of now, I'm going to leave it as it is. In future, I'm going to add some more elements in the footer also. Let's publish it. Let's go back. Site identity is nothing but the site icon. This is for the site title. Menus, right now it is using the same menu. Widgets, this is the main sidebar. You will see the sidebar here. You can edit the sidebar from widgets. This is the option under appearance. You will see widgets. You can use that option to make changes. So I'm going to make changes to the sidebar in future. I'm going to delete some of these sections and I'm going to add some more sections in the sidebar. Homepage settings, right now it is showing all the blog posts on the home page. All right, let's go back to the home page. Now this is the current home page. We have all the blog posts showing on the home page. They are all shown in a single column, one by one. I want to make it 3 column. That is not possible with the Astra free option. So I'm going to install the Astra Pro plugin. So let's go back to the dashboard, go to plugins and click on add new. I do have the Astra Pro plugin. I'll give you the link in the description box. If you really want to customize your website or the blog, and if you want to go to the next step, you can definitely buy the Astra Pro plugin. If you want to purchase this plugin, you can use my link to purchase this plugin. Let's click on upload plugin. I already have downloaded the Pro plugin. So this is the plugin, Astra Pro. I'm going to install now. Plugin is uploaded. Click on activate plugin. So this is the Astra Pro plugin that you are going to use for customization. Here you will see the Astra option. Click on it. Now all these Pro modules are available to use. So I'm going to enable them: colors and background, spacing, blog pro, site layouts, sticky header. If you want to use sticky header, you can use this option. Custom layouts is one of the best feature. So I'm going to create a separate video on this custom layouts. Navigation menu, page headers. So that's it. I do not want any other options. Let's go to customize again. I'm going to close this one. All right, let's go to blog archive. We have got the left sidebar here. This is the layout. Now here you can see that it has the grid layout has only 1 column. Now I'm going to change it to 3 columns. And this is how it will look. We have got 3 columns just like before. If you want to add space between posts, you can add the space. Masonry layout, if the blog post or some of the featured image may not be same for each blog post, so it is going to create a masonry layout. Highlight the first post. Just enable that option. This is the first post. It will highlight it. Enable date box. Let's see how does this look. This is the date box. Let's make it circle. So this is how the date will show. You can see that this blog post was published on April 30, 2010. So I'm not going to use it. I'm going to disable it. Now, if you have featured image, you can have padding. So I do not have it now. This is the length or the count of the excerpt. It is set to 55. I'm going to change it to, let's say, 36. So it's going to reduce the text. Okay, this is how it will look. Read more. This is a read more button. It will go to the blog post. If you want to make it button, you can use this option, display read more as button. Let's publish it. It will show. Refresh it, and this is how it will look. We have got 3 columns, and this is the read more button. All right, so I do not want it. I'm going to disable it. Post pagination is nothing but this one. At the bottom, you will see the post pagination. After a certain number of blog posts, it will go to the next page. Let me show you the setting. Let's go to dashboard. Go to settings, go to reading. And here you will see pagination will start after 27 blog posts. So on a single page, it is going to show 27 blog posts. And after that, it will go to the next page, just like here. Okay, now here you will see pagination, infinite scroll. So if you do not want people to go to the second page, you want to show all the blog posts on the single page, you can use this infinite scroll. So it will not show 1, 2, 3. It will list all the blog posts one by one on the single page. So when do you want to show? If people scroll down, it will show, or you can add a load more button. So when someone click on load more, it will load the next batch of blog post, just like this. If I click on it, it will show the next 27 blog posts. Let's publish it. Go back. Here you will see 1, 2, 3. Let's refresh it. Go down, and here you will see load more. If I click on it, you will see more blog post. Click on it, more blog post, just like this, infinite scroll. And let's select scroll option. So without clicking, it will show the blog post automatically when you scroll down. Publish it. Let's go back and refresh it. Now let's go down, and it will start showing the blog post automatically. So there is no load more button. It's going to add the blog post automatically. You will see that all the blog posts are adding automatically. Done. No more posts to show. So this one looks good to me, so I'm going to keep it. Let's go back. Single post. We have already gone through these settings. Okay, let's go back and let's go to one of the single posts here. This is the single post. Now here you can add author info. So if I enable it, go down. After the blog post, it will show the author info. This is about the author. If you want to add author info, you can use this option. Otherwise, you do not need this one. Disable single post navigation like next post, previous post. Auto load previous post. It will start auto loading the previous post. This is the related post. Social sharing. If I enable it, it will enable the social sharing. So I'm going to enable it. This is the position below post. Let's make it below post. Let's publish it. Refresh it. Now here you will see social sharing. So people can share the blog post directly from here. If you want to add more options, you can simply add more options here. It will add that icon. So this is how the Tumblr icon has been added. All right, so this one looks good. Design. If you want to change the label color, you can change the label color, background color, icon size. This is for the related post. You can change or the style settings of the related post from here. Let's go back. So let's go back to the blog page, the blog post. Let's check the page speed of this blog post after changing the theme. So I'm going to use the same page and I'm going to analyze it. Desktop. Now you can see the change in the desktop page speed is earlier I think it was on 89 or 84 something. Now it is 94. Though definitely the page speed has been increased for mobile also. There is a slight change. In the upcoming videos, I'm going to install the cache plugin on this website so that the page speed of this website will improve. Let's go back to the home page. So you can see that there is not a lot of difference between the old layout and the new layout. I just wanted to change the theme. So I'm going to start working on this website and I'm going to add more features to this website using different plugins. So in this video, I just wanted to show you how you can change the theme of the current website with the new Astra theme. If you do not like this layout, you can definitely go for the starter templates. Here you can see starter templates. You can install the starter templates. Here you can go to starter templates. There are many different templates that you can use. Let me show you. 240 plus ready to import website templates. So on this current website, I do not have a lot of customization. I do not have a fancy template. I just want to keep it simple. So that's why I'm not using the starter template. However, if you want professional templates, you can definitely use this starter template. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.